tried to warn him. Nick was watching Peek at his grandma's house one night when her dog started growling at something in the hallway. First, Nick thinks her dog is just growling at the Roomba, but as it moves towards them, it suddenly starts stopping as if there's something in its way, and as they stare at it confused, an angel statue falls to the ground. Nick found this to be really strange, because his grandma's statue collection is kept towards the middle of the top of the fridge, so for it to fall like that means that something had to move it. The following night, Nick and his grandma's dogs were still on edge, and while watching his show again, he captured this.
Whoa.
And what's up, it's your boy Mace, and that thing is following him all around the house. And there goes another thing of when, you know, the animals, they can sense when something is wrong. Maybe they sensing some type of spirit or something, bad spirit, evil spirit, I don't know. But the thing following him around for a reason. But y'all be safe, stay positive, stay motivated, and in control.